will learn about the material. First, we create a folder and rename it material. So all the material we place there. Material. In this, first we create a materials and rename it player. We will create an other materials and rename it enemy. We can put the material directly on this or by clicking any game object and placing there. We can also put there. By clicking on the material, there are some properties of the material. First, there is a color. We can change its color as a green or a yellow. In there, we can put the picture like texture, but we will cover it in the next video. The next option is that metallic. When we increase it this property, so it become metal like. So you can see this. If you want anything like metal, so you can change its property. The next property is smoothness. When you decrease its smoothness, it's like wood or a wall, you decrease the smoothness. And if you increase the smoothness, it will become like shiny, reflective. There is also another property, normal map, height map. We will cover them in the next video in the texture mode. And there is also like tiling offset. We will cover them in the next video. So we also change the color of this material, like put them red. And we also create another material. We can duplicate the material like Control D and rename them ground and put it on it. And you can change the color any you like. So in the next video we will learn about the texture.